My name is Daniel Yusuf, and today we will discuss about drug affecting on osteoporosis. First, we know little about bone. Bone is a mineralized connective tissue that exhibit four type of cells. First, osteoblast, then bone lining cells, osteocytes and osteoclast. Bone exert important function in the body like locomotion, support, and protection of soft cells, calcium and phosphorus storage, and hardening of bone marrow. Bone are mostly made of protein collagen which form a soft framework. The mineral calcium phosphate hardens this framework giving it strength. More than 99% of our body calcium is held in our bone and teeth. Now we discuss about osteoporosis, that is a disease relating to bone. Osteoporosis is a healthy condition that weaken bones, making them fragile and more likely to break. It develops slowly over several years and is often only diagnosed when a fall or sudden impact causes to bone to break or fracture. The most common injuries in people with osteoporosis are broken wrist, broken hip, and broken spinal bones, vertebrae. However, breaks can also happen in other bones, such as in the arm or pelvis. Sometimes a cuff or squeeze can cause a broken rib or partial collapse of one of the bone of the spine. Osteoporosis is not usually painful until a bone is broken, but broken bone in the spine are a common cause of long-term pain because they can. Although a broken bone is often the first sign of osteoporosis, some older people develop the characteristic stooped, bent forward posture. It happens when the bone in the spine have broken, making it difficult to support the weight of the body. Losing bone is a normal part of aging, but some people lose bone much faster than normal. This can lead to osteoporosis and an increased risk of bone broken bones. Women also lose bone rapidly in the first few years after the menopause. Women women are more at risk of osteoporosis than male, particularly if the menopause began early before the age of 45 years or they have had their ovaries removed. However, osteoporosis can also affect men, younger women and children. Many other factors can also increase the risk of developing osteoporosis, including taking high dose steroid tablet for more than 3 months, other medical conditions such as inflammatory conditions, hormone related conditions, or malabsorption problems. A family history of osteoporosis, particularly a hip fracture in a parent, long term use of certain medicine that can affect bone strength or hormone levels such as anti estrogen tablets that many women take after breast cancer, having had any eating disorder such as ano- anorexia and bulimia, having a low body mass index BMI, not exercising regularly, heavy drinking, and smoking. Many disease and disorder have been associated with osteoporosis. For some, the underlying mechanism influencing the bone metabolism is straightforward, whereas for other the cause are multiple or unknown. Hypogonadal state can cause secondary osteoporosis, women estrogen deficiency, men testosterone deficiency, endocrine disorder that can induce bone loss include Cushing syndrome, hyperparathyroidism, hypothyroidism, diabetes mellitus type 1 and 2, malnutrition, parental nutrition, and malabsorption. People with rheumatologic disorders such as rheumatoid arthritis, systematic lupus, and polyarticular juvenile arthritis, chronic kidney disease can lead to renal osteodystrophy. Hematologic disorders, several inherited disorder, people with sclerosis, people with Parkinson disease. Class drugs affecting on osteoporosis: biophosphonates, clodronate, alendronate, ibandronate, zoledronic acid, monoclonic antibiotic medications, dinoscum, romosozum, hormone related therapy, relaxofene, testosterone, parathyroid hormones, calcitonin, calcium and vitamin D supplements. Biophosphonates, first generation: madronate, clondronate, atidronate, and telodronate. Second generation AP. Alendronate and pamidronate contain a nitrogen group in the side chain 10 to 100 times more potent than first generation compound. Third generation RZ. Residronate and zolodronate contain a nitrogen atom with an hydrocyclic ring and are up to 10,000 times more potent than the first generation agents. Monoclonal antibody medications. Treatment of post-menopausal women with osteoporosis at a high risk for fracture. Treatment to increase bone mass in men with osteoporosis. Treatment of glucocorticoid induced osteoporosis. Treatment of bone loss in men receiving androgen deprived therapy for prostate cancer. Treatment of bone loss in women receiving adjacent adjuvant aromatase inhibitor therapy for breast cancer. Injection given by health care provider twice a year. Prolia 60 mg. Estrogen replacement therapy. The mechanism of action of raloxifene occurs through binding to estrogen receptor. The binding results in activation of estrogenic pathway, estrogen agonistic effect, and blockage estrogen antagonist effect in tissue that express estrogen receptors. Most common documented adverse effect of Rexulane are hot flashes, flu-like symptom, muscle spasm. Less common receptors are insomnia, vomiting, sinusitis, deep venous, and thrombosis. Testosterone replacement therapy. In some studies, osteoporosis men undergoing TRT have been shown to have increased bone density through BMD does not reach normal adult male level. Mechanism of action. Testosterone and its androgenic metabolites dihydrotestosterone exert biological effect directly through binding to the androgen receptor and indirectly through aromatization of testosterone to estradiol, which allow action via binding to the estrogen receptor ER. Side effects: irritation, redness, pain, tenderness, swelling, toughing or blistering of gums, stinging or swelling of lips, unpleasant or bitter taste in mouth, difficulty tasting food, headache, acne, breast pain or enlargement. Biophosphonates drug. Alendronate dosing daily or weekly tablet or weekly tablet that should dissolve in water. How it works: strengthen bones by slowing the rate at which osteoclasts move bone. Risk or side effect: gastrointestinal problem, GIT problems such as trouble swallowing, inflammation of the esophagus, and ulcerostenosis. Death of bone tissue in the jaw rare. Class: calcitonin drug. Dosing daily nasal spray or injection. How it works: inhibit bone removal by osteoclast and increase the rate of new bone formation by osteoclast. Effect: risk or side effect: allergic reaction, small increase in cancer risk. Parathyroid hormones. Triparatide dosing daily injection. How it works: increase the number of bone forming osteoblasts. Side effects: leg cramps, nausea or dizziness. Class: monoclonal antibody drug. Prolia dosing injection given by a healthcare provider twice a year. How it works: prevent the development of bone removing osteoclasts. Side effects: low blood calcium, skin infection and rash, osteoporosis of the jaw, fracture of the thigh bone.